Hi, this is just a quick video to show you some of the basics with an online photo editor called PixLr, P-I-X-L-R. There are two. One is an advanced and then one is a bit playful. This is just for simple stuff. You just click playful. You don't need to log in, so if you really want, you probably could, but you don't need to log in with, nope, we're just not going to bother. It does save your work. These are all different projects I've done, so it's totally fine. So we're going to open an image. So I'm going to just go get it. So you can just pull, what you would just do is pull a picture off your computer, and then you just upload it to the, upload it onto the actual PixLr, and just pull it over. It's there. And it just loads up. So here it is here. And then so you have layers just like you do with paint.net or GIMP or something. So if you really want to do a little bit more graphic editing, this is how you can do that. There are also, this allows you to move, transform, and change things. This is for cropping if you need to crop stuff. This cuts stuff out. You can adjust stuff. So if you want to make it a bit more vibrant, you can sort of see things are changing. Right, if you want to do that. Same with color saturation, right? You can sort of see things are changing. Temperature, warms it up, cools it off, right? So you can see some of these things are pretty cool. This has to do specifically with light. As we're kind of moving, oops. These are filters, so this will sharpen stuff. This is all pretty easy to do. These are a number of effects. So here's my picture. What I can also do is just drop one of these on it. So you kind of go, oh, it's going to look like that, or like that, or like that, depending on what it is you want. And you have a slider here at the bottom. You can adjust things more or less, depending on what it is you want to do. I'm not sure why this is called Josh, but it is. So you would just choose if that's the one you want. And when you're done, you would just click Save. So saving it, you're going to want to save as a JPEG, and you're going to want to save as high quality. And you click download, and it downloads again, right over there. Okay, it's just finishing up. So that one is done. We're going to go right back out to the front page again. We're going to do the same thing again with the advanced. So the advanced just gives you a few more options. These are some of the other projects that I've done. These ones are using the advanced, so it just makes things a little bit easier. So you're just going to pull a picture up just like this. You can see it's similar to as before. It's got a little bit more bells and whistles, but this is still allows us to select and crop. You can do like liquefying, different things we want to do. Like you can see this is an app on phones a lot. You can lighten areas or darken areas, but it also has the same things as before. So if you go into filter, you can sort of see different filter things you can throw on there, right? That's what you want. Some glamour shot. Not sure what that does. A lot of adjustments you can look at. This just ties in with saturation and so on. Right? You can just up the strength. Right? So this allows you, so you can just see it's a lot more work, a lot more different things that you can play around with if you need to. That allows you to fix. So it has a lot more features. This is a much more of a graphic design thing as opposed to the other one, the simple version, which is playing a little bit more with the idea of just photo editing. So if that's all you are interested in, then you might see this is a hue saturation again, right? Allows you to play with that. Okay, and when you're done, same thing, you just save it right back out again. File, save, saves your image. And that's some of the basics for PixLr. All right, see ya.